Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator for your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use Google Authenticator for your Instagram, you just simply have to open your Instagram and go to the settings and choose the security settings. After that, comment to this section of two-step verification, and now you will get this key into here. Now you just simply have to tap into copy key option, and after copying the key just simply open Google Authenticator. Then tap into this plus button and choose enter a setup key. Then after that just simply enter that key which you copied into this box. Then after that you can name your account anything. Then tap into add button, and then you just simply have to copy this code right here, and after that go to Instagram again. Then click to next button and enter the code that you have copied into this box. Then click to next again, and after that the process will be done and you can easily use the Google Authenticator for your Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.